Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Firefox to show media controls on Windows 10 lock screen. Type about CLAN config in browser search bar. Click accept the risk and continue. Type hardware media keys. Click toggle to change true. Close and start Mozilla Firefox. Lock screen. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.